In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cash App to Wealthfront. This process is pretty straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure that you can link these accounts seamlessly. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to navigate to the official Wealthfront support page titled, "How do I link an outside account to Wealthfront?" This page is a helpful resource provided by Wealthfront offering detailed guidance on how to link external accounts. It's always a good idea to have this page bookmarked for easy reference, especially if you're dealing with multiple linked accounts in the future. Now, once you're on the Wealthfront support page, the next step is to log into your Wealthfront account. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here comes the fun part. Look towards the bottom of your dashboard and click on Add or Link a New Account. A menu will appear, and you'll want to choose Link an External Account. This action prepares Wealthfront to accept information from your external Cash App account. Next, you'll see a list of popular institutions, each represented with a handy icon for easy identification. If you spot the institution you're looking for, that's great. Go ahead and select it. If not, don't worry. Wealthfront also provides a search feature here, so simply type in the name of your institution, in this case Cash App, to locate it quickly. Once you've selected Cash App from the list or searched for it and found it, you'll now need to enter your login credentials for Cash App. This means typing in your username and password. Be sure to enter this information carefully, ensuring every detail is correct. Remember, it's crucial to keep your login information secure and not shared beyond trusted platforms like Wealthfront. After entering your Cash App credentials, Wealthfront will begin the process of linking to your external account. This step may take a moment as the Wealthfront platform securely connects with Cash App to grant access. If everything checks out, you'll receive confirmation that your accounts are now successfully linked. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your Cash App should now be connected to your Wealthfront account, adding another layer of convenience to managing your finances. This connection allows for seamless integration and provides you with a comprehensive view of your financial landscape right from within the Wealthfront platform. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Wealthfront support or leave a comment below. Happy investing, and see you next time with more financial tips and guidance.